I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark. I try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me. I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying how I feel if you only knew. We wrote down every old cliche, a four-letter word in 100 ways, and reality hit me in the face. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me. What if it goes wrong? What if it goes right? What if these things I'm saying make you change your mind? I've never been one to cry. I can't stop the tears raining down from my eyes. No, 'cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But
小人哈。
他的学名
苏卡达，
给他吃茶哎。你在哪？这一个叫馒头，它叫馒头，它叫
为什么？爱馒头。
它叫馒头，它叫宝宝，它旁边有绣。你不要拉我嘛，因为我在那里旁边绣，你赶紧跳嘛，要你
其实我觉得日本那个还是
台湾的原棒啊，好像台语叫做长杯啊，
很多公庙都
有点不能吃的，
可以吃啊。
我妈说以前农业社会没有阿嬷可以吃这个，
因为你要想它这个
品种比较多啦，而且它没有叫轮呢，
就轮
有像橡皮筋啊。对，台语叫追莲灰，那这是台湾品种草，也是目前在台湾的一个栖地灭绝的草原生物。它开黄色的花，
小花黄色，
在那边有一股快要开了，这也是现在野外已经灭绝，现在都靠公园还有学校。这仓储是一款中国对外省人来的啊。过来拢变3项啊。
I'm happy you're happy talking about me, but you didn't know you were ruining all that I'd built. And I try to think through to see what I did do, and somehow I'm in public restrooms just shaking with guilt. People only talk about you if you're something worth talking about. But I wish I wasn't worth it, 'cause my name's been getting around. Oh, what did I do to deserve this from you? Oh, you wasted your breath just to make me infamous.
Oh, when you can't be in there.
Through halls, declining my phone calls, deafening silence. What's yours was once mine. It was mine. People only talk about you if you're something worth talking about. But I wish I wasn't worth it, 'cause my name's been getting around. Walk in my shoes, what could have made you choose to waste all your breath just to make me infamous? What's it like to live in lies if only